Today on the channel, we got a donation. We're feeling a little blessed to get this. It's a John Deere LA105. We are gonna have a look at it, see why it won't start. Probably old fuel. And get it running, put it over, and get it sold. Say hi to the family, Nina. Speak. You're not that smart yet. You didn't learn that yet. Speak. Oh well. Starting right now. So I have it sitting here on the charger. See if I can get this this thing to turn over. It's been about 5 minutes with the Noco Genius charging, and let's see if I can turn this over. This is actually the same exact motor as the last one, and they just let it sit too long in the heat. It looks great. It might not have been in a garage, but it still looks great. I mean, the seat is wonderful compared to that other one way over there. Let's see if you can see that. That one over there, yeah. This one looks way better compared to that one. So I got a can of starter fluid, and let's see if we get combustion. Let's just take a look at this. Ha! Look at that. Clean. Remember guys, this is free. So she wasn't using it to mow. She was using it to drive around the yard. See, there's no deck. So let's give it a shot. See if I can do this one-handed. Let's see if we can get some combustion. All right. Okay. So we have combustion. All right. Little housekeeping before we get started. It's a little pen I set up for Nina to have some structure. All right, back up. No. Back up. Back up. Nope. Back up. Come. No, come here. Come. Of course, I blocked my way out, but okay. All right, let's get started. Oh, is it only? It's lunchtime. Time to feed the dogs. I guess I'll take this pan and come around this way. No. One of y'all know that it's hot. Crazy. All right. No. Let me contain this. Probably need to burn it all up anyway. All right. It should be okay for now. It's interesting how the poop burns when it's almost dry. All right. I'll keep an eye on that. But for now, we got some work. Let's take care of this thing. Didn't even take it off the trailer because I plan on driving it off. That's how confident I am. We can get this running. I'm gonna just drop the carburetor off and clean it up. Use my jet cleaning tool. And that should actually be all I need. Be right back. All right. Okay. Let's see. What do I need? I'm gonna need number 10 wrench. First thing, I'm gonna have to drop down that car, the air handler, or air, the intake tube, lift off the cover, a couple things. All right, let me get those. All right, a couple tools. I got this gum out. I'm gonna throw it in the tank. And I got this for when I get the carb off. I'll clean up the passageways and the jets. Let me put this gum out in the tank here. You guys should still be able to hear me. I got about 1 ounce for 1 gallon. Got about 1 gallon in here. approximately. I want to get it clean, and so it may have been a little more than 1 ounce, may have been 2. All right, and then I guess I could just follow the procedure. You take off the hood. I don't want to damage anything. Set this to the side. These bolts, engine cover bolts are the worst. Especially when they rust like this. Whew. That one snapped. Yeah, so they use the cheapest bolts. They want to make it as difficult as possible to take this thing off, I think. And of course, I can't get this one around here. Why does it feel like it's not going? Size 9, really? This one is a size 9. Of course, I didn't bring my 9 over here. All right. So basically, we're gonna have to take off this cover, which is what I'm about to get to. There is a number 7 bolt down here. Oh, that bolt is gone. So you know what? I don't have to take off the cover. It looks like somebody has already been. Okay, I really need to show you guys this part. So I got the carburetor off. And we got here the solenoid, the fuel shutoff solenoid. It was not moving. And when I pressed that, it turned the fuel in there brown. And so now it's moving. And so I'm gonna work it a little bit, get it so that yep. And it's metallic, it's not rubber. So it seals off that fuel pretty good. Not sure if the factory carbs came like this, but this is a good one. So now we'll pour that out for all the dead homies. And this bowl is not even dirty. This is crazy. They probably use this like once or twice. So now you can see that's really bouncing back fast now. It was slow and stuck before. Now it's really bouncing back. So let's I think we should be good now, because if you look at the jets here, you can see through the holes, which means that there's no blockage there. There may be blockages here in that port. Not sure. Maybe I'll go ahead and I'll use my cleaner here. So come over here, take a look at what I'm doing here. Got it in my pocket already. Ready to go. This is what you need. This is a Helix brand. And what I'd like to do is start with the smallest size and then increase the size slightly, ever so slightly. The holes, oh man, sorry about that, guys. The holes are all very clear, you see. They're clean. I'll go up a little bit. That was a little too easy. Go over a couple sizes. Try this one here. There's barely anything. This is like a new carb. A little scrub there. This is like barely anything. Barely anything wrong with this. There's nothing. Let me use the big one down here. No, we're good. We are good. This hole here for the fuel shut off. Everything seems so clear. I'm pretty confident this is good. Let me. Nope. Sorry. Carb cleaner. Make sure you guys are still with me here. I don't want to loosen up the.
So let me pause right here just to give you guys a warning. If you see this, that there's any corrosion or anything in your carburetor, spray it, carb clean. Try to take, remember to take the gasket off because that rubber gasket will slide from the carburetor cleaning spray.
Looks like I need to. Okay. I got it back together. Started right up. Look how smooth this is compared to the other one. Super smooth. There's no deck, but you can see the pulley nice and level, smooth. So take down the ramp on the trailer. 13.5 horsepower to spare. Not bad. I know the battery's dead, so if I shut it off, where's my jumper? Okay, it's right there. Runs great. I wonder where the PTO engagement cable is, if they tied it up or they took it off. Let's take a look together. So PTO engagement is up at the top. Let's see if I find a cable. Wait, the cable is here. Here it is. Okay, so they must have shoved it up somewhere. Zip tied it. Let's see. Oh, they looped it around the other side here. You guys want to see? Take a look at what they did. Okay. Comes around from up the top, all the way around, and comes here. Here it is. PTO engagement cable. So the pulleys look great. So all this thing needs is a deck. All this thing needs is a deck, and it'll be back to its original state. Yep, the drive pulley is looking great. Oh, sorry about that. The battery had died. And then the phone overheated. So having several issues today on today's recording, but we're back here, and I was able to get the carb flowing, and so now I'm here trying to take off this battery. It's like a size, I don't know what size this is. But these screws are way too big. These bolts, or the nuts. Let me try 11. Eleven is it. And it's like a brand new mower. The battery's from 2021. Sheesh. Unfortunately, batteries do not last that long, especially in a small mower. Young mower. In a small mower, they don't last that long. Also, it did not have any L's, so I'm gonna have to use the R battery. Make sure you guys are still with me. These puppies are so mischievous. Really? Don't tell me that's not gonna work. No. I actually need an L. This is ridiculous. And I just bought 2 of them. Alright. Let's rotate this around. See if I can make this work. Get a short cable to stretch over. A long cable to stretch over. Not cool at all. Not cool at all. I don't have any more length on there. Good grief. It's always something, huh? Let's see here. This goes right here. I need an extension. Oh, Nina, come on. Okay, good. So the body is threaded. So this we got an attachment on the other side. Got an attachment on the other side. So there's another wire. It's connected to the ground cable. I don't want to cut it and extend it. I could do it pretty easily. Maybe I should just go and get a left-handed battery. Yeah, I think I'll do that. All right, well, microphone's down, and so is the sun, but I got an L, so let's put this on. $375 cranking amps. The Duralast is $350 cranking amps. That's all I can find though. Want to get this off my plate tonight. So it's running and I can put it on in the yard and post it for sale. Those R's. Money's tight these days for everyone. You have to return these batteries. All right. Choke. Toyota key. Check out the key they use. I'm guessing that's not the key. Looked like a spare key for their Toyota. They had a Toyota Tacoma. All right. Something's not cranking. Something is off. Check the fuse. I bet it's the fuse. Where am I? Oh! Again, always something. Again, always something. The fuse is actually a little bit of smoke. Oh, this is hard to tell if it's good. I think it's good. Oh, yeah, this last switch down the bottom. That's interesting. That the tractor will turn that way. I forgot this this ground wire here. Forgot to hook this back up. This is gonna be a nightmare because I don't have small hands like that. I need long pliers and long pliers.